I'm back today with another hit. It's me, Beto G, the beat maker. Today, I'm going to be making a beat. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos, you'll get notified. I'm going to be making San Bruno trap beat today. That's the beat I'm going to be making today. The title of the beat is going to be titled How to Make San Bruno Trap Beat. Thank you so much all this while. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I drop new videos, you will get notified immediately. Now, I'm going to launch my FL Studio and start programming my San Bruno trap beat. I'm going to put my cursor here, right click, and just press open. Now the FL Studio is loading. I've opened my FL Studio. As you can see, my FL Studio has opened. I'm going to pick my plugin, which before picking my plugin, this is my tempo here. My favorite tempo is 130 BPM. This is art, this is patterns, this is views, this is options, and this is tools, and this is help. Now I'm going to click on add to pick my plugin to start creating my San Bruno trap beat. I'm going to pick this plugin called Minisyn. I'm just going to pick this plugin. Now I'm going to click here like this, left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheels right up to channel 5. As you can see, this is channel 5 for my mixer because I've already routed by left clicking and hold it and turn the mouse wheels up to channel 5. Now I'm going to right click and press piano roll. As you can see, this one is not sounding very good. I'm just going to click here and press preset and just choose this one and just choose this one called randomize. Let's see how it sounds. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. As you can see, I'm going to change it. It's not sounding very good. I'm going to right click and delete it. I'm going to pick this one again called citrus. I'm just going to click again, left click, hold the left click button and turn the mouse wheel up to channel 5 and press on this icon and press on preset. I'm going to pick this one called dreamy. This is dreamy. I'm going to use one for my San Bruno trap beat. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. I'm programming my San Bruno trap beat now. Now I'm going to highlight to the left and copy and press Ctrl and B to pass number 8. As you can see, I've already copied to pass number 8. I'm going to click on Add again and pick this plugin called Kepler to create the bass melodies. I'm going to click here, and click hold the click button, turn the mouse up to channel 6. When I click and press piano roll to take my bass melodies. I start programming my hi-hat now by clicking here. I program my bass drum now. I program my hi-hat now. I'm going to right click and press piano roll and press Ctrl A and pitch it up. I'm going to left click and edit to left and press Ctrl and B and copy the hi-hat bass number 8. Now I'm going to right click and press piano roll to cover my snare. After the end of each bar, I'm placing my snare. On my snare, I'm going to click on this slot 1 and add the sound organizer. Now, this is my kick here. I'm going to left click and hold it and drop my kick into channel 1. Now, I'm going to right click and press piano roll to start programming my kick. Now, as you can see, I'm putting my kick. Make sure you follow the steps. Now I'm putting my kick. The next step is I'm going to click here on channel 1, the kick, and click on this icon, turn on the bow knob. I'm going to bring down the first melody and bring down the second melody again. Now I'm going to turn on the volume, turn the master volume up. Now, this is my pattern 1. I'm going to put my mouse here, right click and split by channel. As you can see, I've already programmed everything. I programmed my kick, my hi-hat, my snare, my dreamy, which is my first melody, and my Kepler with the second melody. I'm just going to click here and add into my playlist. Click on my hi-hat, add into my playlist, click on my snare, add into my playlist, click on my first melody, add into my playlist, and click on the last melody and add into my playlist. Now I'm going to press Ctrl. I'm just going to press on this. I'm just going to left click, hold it, highlight to the left, and press Ctrl and B to copy it to make the space and intro and outro. I'm going to arrange my beat now, but I'll just switch it to song mode. Press Ctrl and B. Arranging my beat now. I'm going to remove the hi-hat here. I'm going to make a snare here. On my first melody, I'm going to add the foot parametric E2. The second melody, I'm going to click on step 1 and add the foot parametric E2. On my snare, I'm going to click on step 1 and add the foot switch, the sound organizer. And from my meter, I'm going to right click and click the connection clip with last melody. The first melody, I'm going to right click and click the connection clip. Now I'm going to spice up my trap beat, my Sangino trap beat by adding a hi-hat at the ending point of the intro. And here and at the starting point of the outro. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching how to create San Bruno trap beats. Now, let's listen to the full San Bruno trap beat from the start to the end. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching. I have finished making my San Bruno trap beats. Thank you so much again. Make sure you subscribe so that anytime I drop new videos, you will get notified. See you next time. Make sure you turn on the notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos, you will immediately get notified. See you next